friend has given it to me. I was around 24 to 25 years old. At first I didn't know that it was eczema until I visited the doctor because it wasn't recovering on its own. I don't really know what's the trigger to my eczema. It can be because of dust, food or weather. The very first time I got eczema, it was actually on my palm around this area. It started like just a really small dry area, and then it started getting bigger and bigger until it's like rotting with some pus and fluid to it. So it actually affected me a lot because it's on my hands, and like, you know, we do a lot of things using our hands. And then so right now I feel it's because of the weather, which will cause me to have eczema. Usually it's quite okay. Nowadays I don't really get any more eczema, but there was once it was really very bad when I just came back from Korea. I think it's because of the cold weather, from like very cold to a very hot weather. Then my eczema really just blew up. It was on my feet, and I actually submitted photos to Nila as well, which you'll probably be able to see. The oil actually helps to reduce like the itch, and it helps to moisturize, which is these two things that I really care about, because when these two things are being handled properly, right, then the redness will slowly reduce itself and your eczema will recover. I don't really get eczema anymore. Like the very last time I got like full-fledged one was when I went to Korea, which was more than 7 months ago. So what I've been doing for the past 7 months is that whenever I feel that my eczema is coming, right, I will quickly apply the oil, and it will actually help to, you know, deter it from going full blown. Definitely I will, because I actually passed on the oil to my boyfriend already, because I don't really need any more, like a very low chance I need it. I will recommend it because one thing is it's affordable. Secondly, it's because it smells really good, and you know that the ingredients that they use is actually natural and not artificial. It wouldn't damage your skin, things like that. And also because third is that it's really good. So yeah, thank you Nila. Bye.